Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Ahmad Rabiee. Welcome to this unique complete English grammar course. This 4-hour course is created to help you build your grammar skills. With numerous lectures and exercises, this course offers a solution to all doubts in terms of using English structures. Do you have difficulties making sentences correctly? Are you afraid of making mistakes in English? Do you know when, where, why, and how to use present perfect and other tenses? Do you know how to make future plans? How to make reported speeches? Do you really want to understand the whole grammatical points very clearly? So this is the right place. We have covered everything and it can take you from B1 to C1 level. Some students have studied grammar for years, but unfortunately they still can't use it correctly. But don't worry, we have designed this course for all of those students who feel hopeless and frustrated. Actually, we have done many researches and I have chosen the most important grammatical structures and points that most of the students need in order to write, speak, and communicate better. This course can even be really practical and useful for all of those students who want to pass specific tests at school or college. This course includes more than 30 great lessons and videos. We have added 10 questions and quizzes for each lesson so you can definitely check your understanding. Every section has an easy-to-follow structure, detailed explanations, and plenty of examples. Guys, here are some tips. I must tell you, by just watching the videos and not doing the tests and activities, you are not going to learn. Take this course if you want to review fundamental English grammar rules before English proficiency tests like IELTS, PET, FC, etc. You can also ask me all of your questions. There's a PDF you can download and print and practice. It includes all of the given lessons in this course. Take this course if you want to master English grammar and take your English to the next level. If you want to speak English more clearly, if you want to sound more native-like, this course can help you achieve your goal. And this is Ahmad Rabiee. I'm really happy and excited to be your teacher. I hold TESOL, CELTA, and DELTA certificate. I'm Cambridge certified teacher. So guys, are you ready to improve your grammar? Let's get started.